Is your car running rough, getting poor gas mileage, or struggling to accelerate? Your fuel injectors might be clogged. Hi there, Dan here. And today I'm showing you the 3 easiest ways to clean them without pulling them out of your engine. Stick around because method number 3 is a game changer that most people don't know about. Before we jump into the solutions, let's understand the problem. Your fuel injectors spray a precise mist of gasoline into your engine thousands of times per minute. Over time, carbon deposits, varnish, and fuel residue build up on the tiny nozzles. This buildup disrupts the spray pattern, causing poor fuel atomization. The result? Rough idle, hesitation during acceleration, increased emissions, and wasted gas money. Low-quality fuel and short city drives make the problem worse. Here are 3 most effective methods to clean fuel injectors without physically removing them. Method 1. Using fuel system cleaners. The simplest approach is to add a good quality fuel injector cleaner additive. High-quality fuel injector cleaners like Chevron Techron or Lucas Fuel Treatment work while you drive. Just pour the entire bottle into your gas tank before filling up. These cleaners contain powerful detergents that dissolve carbon deposits as fuel flows through your injectors. Use them every 7,000 to 15,000 miles for best results. It's preventive maintenance that costs less than $20. Method 2. The Italian tune-up. Here's a technique that's completely free and surprisingly effective. It's called the Italian tune-up. Take your car on the highway and drive at higher RPMs for about 20 minutes. The increased engine temperature and fuel flow help burn off light carbon deposits naturally. Just make sure your engine is warmed up and you're driving safely within speed limits. This technique works especially well combined with a fuel system cleaner. Now for that game-changing method I mentioned. Many auto shops offer pressurized fuel system cleaning that connects directly to your fuel rail. The technician runs a special cleaning solution through your injectors while the engine operates. This method is the most thorough option without removal and costs around $50 to $100. It's worth it if your car has high mileage or severe performance issues that the other methods can't handle. To keep your injectors clean longer, always use top-tier gasoline from brands like Shell, Chevron, or Mobil. These contain better detergent packages than cheaper alternatives. Also, replace your fuel filter every 30,000 to 40,000 miles, and don't let your gas tank run too low regularly. Debris settles at the bottom of your tank, and your fuel pump will pick it up when the tank is nearly empty. If these methods don't solve rough idling, poor acceleration, or bad fuel economy after a few hundred miles, your injectors might need removal for ultrasonic cleaning or replacement. That's a job for a qualified mechanic. But try these techniques first. You might save yourself hundreds of dollars. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and if this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.